This is page 5 in book 2. Again, we're talking about G major. That's what we've been talking about for a whole page now. So it's really just adding a rhythm. So this one is, I don't know if you remember it back in book 1, but this rhythm is pepperoni pizza, pepperoni pizza. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3, 4. There is a bow lift at the end of the first line, so pay attention to that and follow the bowings. This is part of learning to play an instrument. The bowings are important. Here we go. 1 and 2 and 3, 4.